Hey, hello guys, good day, and once again, welcome to Forex Network. This was another section which we'll be having from now on, which will be the weekly review or the midweek review. What we'll be doing is trying to check out the analysis which we give on Saturday, which is the weekly analysis predicting what is likely to happen in the market. We are checking how far it has gone and also trying to also check the next move which we expect from the market. Actually, this is because of a lot of people always asking for midweek review because they feel, okay, once the market has moved, like it has moved in a certain direction, so what's going to be the next? So that's why we are going to be doing weekly review, probably every Wednesday, to make sure we keep in contact and always tell you what we expect or what we will be trading or what's actually happened on Monday and Tuesday. So thank you so much, and let's go straight into today's review. Okay, if this is your first time, you haven't joined a member yet, you haven't joined the family yet, please do wait to click the subscribe button below, and please don't forget to turn on your notification by clicking on the bell beside it. And please give this video a thumbs up if it's useful, and also don't forget to share it with your friends, family, and loved ones. Okay, on Sunday, I think the first pair we looked at is GBP USD. So let's go straight to GBP USD and see those who actually watched the weekly review, what we said on Sunday, I think the market was somewhere. It was the market. I think the market was somewhere here. That was on Sunday. Just somewhere here. So what we said was the market was on a previous of support because at the last week Friday, the US market actually released a news which made the US to become bullish, thereby making it bearish on pairs which has the USD as their code currency and not the base. The base currency will become bullish while the code currency had a bearish momentum. So let's check now what happened. I say what I'm expecting for this market to continue in this previous momentum, continue the previous momentum before the fundamental that was released on Friday. Remember, I said this market is an uptrend, general uptrend. So what I expect for this market to continue in that uptrend. And as you can see, actually the market, I took this trade on, that's on Monday, yeah. But unfortunately, it hit my stop loss because my stop loss was somewhere here. My stop loss was somewhere right here. This is where my stop loss was. And that means my stop was somewhere here. Yeah, my stop was there. So I think this particular dip right here, this particular dip. So let me pick this so I can show you what I'm talking about. So this particular dip was what actually touched my stop loss and took me out of the market. But actually, I'm thinking of entering back this market again because in general, I still expect this market to be a bullish move. So what I'm expecting now is for this market to have a test probably of this station, which actually is doing with this red candle you can see here. Then I expect now to now give me a good bullish candle. If I can see that, or if this currently forming a bull candle end up as a bullish candle, then I'll be entering this market on another buy. My stop loss see above this previous structure right here. So that is what I'm expecting or to happen on the GBP USD. So I'm expecting the market to move still straight to this previous high here, giving me a very good risk reward ratio, as you can see, from here to here and then from here down here. So that's a good risk reward ratio. So let's go straight to the next one. I think those were good. This week has actually been good. I think just the PP that hit my stop loss. I think every other one I've taken my profit already. So let's go to the next one, which is the USD card. If you remember very well, I told you that USD card is a let's say a bearish momentum market. So when it got to this level, remember the market was somewhere here. I said I expect this market to have what is called a continuation of the previous move, which is what the bears coming back to take control of the market, and that's exactly what happened in this market. Actually, I'm in this market currently in my let's say my other accounts because this is actually for scalping or let me say strategy testing. Then we have the one I trade for my long-term trading, which I just placed the stop loss. I think at this moment I've shifted my stop loss to this level. Using my stop loss is currently. Let me use this so you can see clearly. I don't know what this stuff's problem. No. Okay, so this is where my stop loss is right now. So if you know you're also still in this trade, please do also to adjust your stop loss and put it. Remember initially I said the stop loss should be here. So right now I've told you that once it gives you a good risk reward ratio of at least 1 to 1, move it below the previous structure. This is where my stop loss is currently now. So you can also adjust yours just in case the market and turns back against us. At least you've already saved some good number of profits. So what am I expecting next of this market? I'm still expecting this market to move straight to this level. Remember, these are take profit, which I said on Sunday. So I'm still expecting this market to move straight to this point. So please and please do well also to do that. But just in case maybe the market is that will now have a pullback again. The market still choose to have a pullback, which can happen. Okay, let me take it back to the 4-hour charts. I'm trying to pick this so you can. Okay, good. So if the market still, oh, let me see what's going on right here. I want to pick this stuff so I can use it to mark. Don't know why this don't want to pick. Okay, fine. Since don't pick, let's just go back to 4-hour chart. So if the market maybe tries to respect this previous structure right here, as you can see it here, the market has there's a little of, get that, man. There's a previous support right here. So the market might want to obey this. So that's why I move my stop loss below left. So if the market should have, let me say, a pullback, the market have a pullback maybe above this, back again. If it breaks this structure, we test it, then I expect this market to continue moving downward straight to this our take profits. Remember, this our take profit, which I said on Sunday. So this is where we expect this market to come through. So just give me the sizing a choppy movement. That's because there's a previous support here. So but if the market successfully breaks below it, it takes the structure, then I expect the market to move to this previous low right here. So that's what I'm expecting of the USD card. So let's move to the next one, which is the USD CHF. As you can see, it's also in profits. Similar stuff. I said on Sunday that the market, this is where the market was on Sunday, somewhere here. Where's it? Okay, good. This is where the market was. So I said what to expect for this market to continue still. I'm sure you can remember when I put this line right here, this blue line. If you've watched the preview, if you've watched the market analysis which I released on Sunday, I'm sure you saw when I put this blue line telling you that the market is in bullish momentum. So I expect this market to break above this structure here. They probably maybe have a retest of this structure, have a retest in, break it, and that was exactly what happened when the market opens. You can see it, right? Let's go to the 1 hour so you can see it clearer. So this is it. The market was somewhere here. Had a pull back to this level, then continue. Remember, I said don't put a stop or a take profit on this. Leave your take profit open because I expect the market to continue moving in the trending form, which is already what has already maintained. So currently on this one, my stop loss is also here now. Let me use this. Sorry, this is where my stop loss is right now. So I've already taking some profit, or I've already made this trade a risk-free trade. So you can also do similar stuff. So for those asking for take profits, please, as I said earlier, leave your take profits open. But if you know, maybe if the market should reverse and turn back here, don't shift it. Take that profit and leave the market. But if the market continues moving, like what I'm expecting, this market maybe moves above this, like breaks this again, retests it, then start showing sign of bullish momentum again. I move the stop loss from here still to this point again to save some profits. So that's what I'm also going to do next on this USD CHF. So let's go straight to the next one, which is the USD JPY. I think it's somewhat similar. You can see it still. Let's go to the 4-hour chart so you can see it. The same thing I said also. Breaking above this structure, breaking above this structure, retesting it, then continue. Let's see what happened. You can see it right here. It's broke above it with this green candle. We tested it here. They can see the low momentum candle, which I always talk about. These are the low momentum candles. They can see the good bullish movement, telling you that the bulls are now in this market. And currently, you can see the market is still moving upward. On this is where my stop loss is. I think this is the last. I didn't take another one. I think this is below. Let me check. I think where is it? I can't really remember my stop loss is currently. But I know I've also adjusted my stop loss on this trade. So those are the trades I took. I didn't take another one, but let me still check other ones. Let's check at CHF. I didn't take any trade on this. Wow, this was a good move again. So similar stuff which I said. I told you that this market, let's go back to the 4-hour charts. the market was currently on this level here. So I said what I expect this market to give us a good bullish candle. Then I expect this market to what? To move straight to this previous level here. I'm sure if you've not watched that analysis, you can go where to watch the analysis. This was my target, and I didn't even take this trade. If I took this trade, this would have eaten my stake profit already. But I didn't take this trade. But as you can see, this actually did exactly as we predicted of the market. So what we expect of this market now, the market might choose to respect this level by having probably a choppy movement, pulling back a little. But what I actually expect to break above this structure, it tests it. It tests it doesn't really necessarily mean it's going to get to this level. At least you have a pull back a little, then showing sign of what? Of bullish momentum. Then I enter this market again on a buy with my stop loss below this previous structure here. So that is what I'm expecting. I think I will look for me to take this. Maybe I will close on my because I don't take more than 4 trades at a time. So since those are still running, that's why I didn't take any trade on KCHF. But still, let's check the KJPY markets and see. I didn't take this trade on KJPY too, please. I took on gold. Yeah, I took on gold. That's true. KJPY. The same thing, as you can see, it's not maybe we are expert in this market, please and please. The fact that maybe our prediction for this week actually worked doesn't necessarily mean that we know what we're doing or we are expert. No. It doesn't happen like this probably often. This happens just once in a while. At times it might give out 5 trades and just 3 actually did as we predicted. But at least when we give a 3, we are sure at least more than average or more than half of the trades we give will definitely give us our expectation. So that is this. And for this similar something which we said, the market was somewhere here. We say what is what? Low momentum candle followed by what? A bullish momentum candle. You can still go and watch the video again. If maybe you haven't watched the video, just check below. I think the link is below. No, the link will not be given below, but just check on my previous video. That was the previous video I uploaded before this one. Check them, see the video, they can watch it over and over again. As I always say, just to give you insight of how to analyze the market yourself and also get trade predictions for yourself without waiting for anyone. So as you can see, this also did just as we predicted. This way they made the market. We made the market right here. And currently this was where we said our take profit would be. Though we didn't take trade on this, but this was our take profit, our stop loss right below this. So if you took this trade, I'm sure you're in good profit by now because it didn't even go close to our take profit, our stop loss, and currently we are close to our take profit. So please do where to move your stop loss from here to probably this level right to save some profit for yourself. So let's go straight to the next one, which is gold. And I took trade on gold, which is the last one I took. Okay, so this is good. What I said on Sunday, the market was somewhere here. It was somewhere here. I said I expect this market to pull back to this previous level here, to this previous structure, which I do here. I'm sure most of you that watch the video, so when I do this structure, I expect this market to pull back to this level, giving me rejection candle, low momentum candle, then probably maybe a good bearish candles telling me that the bears are now ready to take control of this market. And that's exactly what happened in this market. Actually, this market, I took this take profit in a break even because when the market moved to this level, sorry, let me pick up this. Okay, good. When the market move to, okay, let me go now. When the market moved to this level right here, what I did was I moved my stop loss to this level, and unfortunately the market reversed to test this level, which hit my stop loss. Then probably continue. So what I'm waiting for now in this market, I'll still enter this market again on a sell because I still expect the gold to still be in the bearish momentum. So what I'm waiting for is for this market right here. Let me take it to 4R. I trade on 4R share. So what it's for this candle, this after this green one, after this candle, wait for this red one to close as what? As a bearish candle. If probably close below the opening of this one, of the blue one, this blue you see here. If it closes below it, then I enter this market again on a sell with my stop loss right here and my take profit open. So that's what I'm expecting of gold. I really hope this was useful. Please and please do it to take your time with good risk and money management. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscribe bell below. It's in the red icon there. Click on it and don't forget to turn on your notification bell by clicking on that bell icon. And please do well to share this video with your friends, family, and loved ones. We will also still get in contact with you. Anything we'll be taking, we'll be sending, maybe coming online to share with you, or anything we have maybe loses on, we still come here and share. Just as we lost trade on DPP USD and we have to win 4 other trades out of the 5 we took. So thank you so much, everyone, and see you in the next video. Please have a lovely trading week ahead on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And for sure, we'll surely be releasing our weekly analysis probably on Saturday or Sunday. So do it to subscribe so you can see the video once we upload it. Once again, thank you and see you in our next video.